If you can't love anybody apart from yourself and your children, please stay away from people's children. I'm saying it plump and clear. If you know you don't have the heart to treat somebody else nicely apart from somebody that came out from you, please stay away from people's children and suffer whatever suffering you are suffering to take care of your children alone. If your children are more important to you than any other person's child, if you know that there is no atom of love in you to give to anybody's child, stay away from people's children. Pretend like they don't exist. Take care of your children alone. Give birth to those children alone. Do whatever house chores, whatever cooking you want to do alone. Stay with your children alone. Leave people's children alone if you don't have the heart to actually show love to people. I'll say it plump and clear. There is no reason why you should go and take somebody's child. For the parent to give you that child, it means that child was not even eating enough where they are coming from. Because I don't think there's anybody who has the capacity to take care of their children that will give their small, less than 10-year-old child to anybody to start maltreating them. I don't think so. So for that child to be given to you, it means the parent has no capacity to take care of that child at that particular time. Then you know you don't have that. You have this bad mind. You not pick that child instead of you to give that child a new life. Because if I start saying treat the child the same way you are treating your child, you not say, hey, listen, I say okay, you cannot treat them the way you are treating your child. No wahala. Treat them better than where they came from. Use that word. If you cannot, take that child back to their father's house to go and continue drinking garri. Yes. How can you see? Sometimes I used to say I will not lie to you. I don't know how angry I'm in my 30s, but I've never got to the point of anger where I'll start picking things to start inflicting pain on another person. Like I have never crossed that part of my life that I've gotten so angry at them because I don't think about it at all. The devil uses a mind who already houses evil. Once you start having evil thought about somebody, the devil will give you more evil thoughts for you to do things that on a norms nobody else can do apart from you. That is why you should be very careful in the kind of thoughts or the kind of thing you think about somebody, because the devil builds on the thoughts or anything you already have in your mind. The devil will build on it. Now, after doing that thing to that child, the next thing to do was to take that child to the hospital. But no, you let that child to go through pain alone. Like he start on his pain. There is nothing. Let me tell you something. People don't get it. Anything your child less than 10 years can do, any other child can do same thing. If your child less than 10 years does not listen, does not hear word, because we have children. If your child less than does not even listen when you are telling them do this and they are still doing what they want to do, the same child any other in any place of this world will do the same thing. They are the same age group. Or you think your child is too small, but you still think another child of the same age with your own child is so wise to do things like an adult. Why? And I'll still say it to other people. If you are giving birth to children, the world have changed. The world is so evil and so bad. Please give birth to children you can train. Even if it's one you have, wait. Build on that one. When you have more capacity, you add more. Stop building there is nothing like God will train anymore. It's not God that asks you to keep giving birth to children you cannot train. It's not. People cannot find you where you have not even put anything. You are not putting any impact on yourself. You are not putting any impact on your own growth. You are there bringing children that you cannot take care of. Why? And you give them to this kind of inhuman people to keep taking care of, and they keep inflicting pain. There is no that preferable that you leave that child in heaven to be taken care of by God. Why now? I'm really upset. Look at me. I'm not happy. That's my son age mate now. That one, are you not see? Look at to some extent that child. If normally, if you go to some places, that child they are still taking care of that child. They are still feeding that child with hand. That child they are still begging him to do certain things. That small boy is not capable of doing anything. Look at her own son. Her son is even older than that small boy. Whoever provide the child is, even if you see, some people cannot even take care of their own siblings' children with love, not to talk of outsiders. Like, sorry, some people don't have any love to give. They don't have anyone to give at all. Leave children, leave people's children alone. Leave those small children you cannot take care of alone. They prefer, it's better they stay in their mother's house and they are drinking that garri and there doing farm work than they should come to your house and they will never have peace. They cannot even see the garri to eat that they were eating before. You keep giving them things they cannot do, chores they cannot even maintain. You lock up every time. You don't expect them. Okay, for instance, now that lady saying the reason why she did that is because the guy defecated on the pool. There is high possibility you locked your toilet. That small boy is still using pole. If you look at it, in some houses, that boy is still using pole. He's not even capable of using. Find a solution for that child. Some of you bring people, you lock the toilet, you lock the kitchen, you lock the door, you lock the room, you lock everywhere. Then you expect that child to stay. He want to poop, he cannot poop. He want to eat, he cannot eat. He want to do anything, they cannot do anything. Then you just keep them one side. Some of you will even lock your house and say, okay, they should stay outside. If you go out in the morning, till in the evening, when you are coming back, they will stay outside. No food, nothing. Why? Why? Then take care of your children alone. It's simple. You must not have help. If your heart is not capable of carrying somebody else's child, see, there's even different type of help. You can find people that will be taking care of, coming, they will help you and do something. You'll be paying day's job. They'll do everything for you in a day. Then they will go. Then the next week again, you invite them. Rather than bringing somebody else and you'll be punishing the person on the name of, I have a help. People are using to win your organ. You have a help, but the help cannot even do anything for you. You don't have anything to give to the help. Please, you self.